It's going to be very simple. I'm going to review Café Bustelo espresso, instant coffee. Okay. I'm going to start small. I'm just maybe 1 teaspoon first. And let's start with the 1 teaspoon first and see. So this is an espresso instant coffee, which means this is more like Americano, right? Yeah. So this is more like Americano. Wow. Okay. You know what? I have to say, this is better than Starbucks. Yeah, this is definitely better than Starbucks Americano. For sure. Hold on. This is actually quite interesting. Okay. This is actually quite good. Just like this. I'm going to add a little more, right? Just a little more of instant coffee. Hold on. I'm going to add sugar. So this is how I used to drink years ago when I was in Korea. Not much, maybe 1 scoop. And then just add a little bit of milk. Okay. So this is it. So this is how I used to drink years ago. Okay. There we go. Let's give it a try. Man, so take me back. I think this might be the best. Okay, best instant coffee out there, personally. Bustelo.